Welcome back to another episode of the Crypto Serpent, and if you do enjoy the videos, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. What a day! What a day this has been! It's not over. There is more news to talk about, more things to discuss, more breaking news. You understand? When I say breaking, I mean literally breaking news. Now, we kick off with Ripple continues to build momentum in MENA with first on-demand liquidity deployment in Middle East. I don't know how to begin to tell you how huge this is, right? So we've had, of course, the talk about the Federal Reserve and, and buyback and all that. We've had the discussion, right? Let's get back to talking about things that are realistic that we can see, feel, and touch right now. Now this, how big is this, right? The MENA region is home to two of the top 3 remittance corridors in the world, having sent 78 billion in remittance in 2020. 78 billion in remittance in 2020 alone. This on-demand liquidity is huge news. This is massive news to the momentum shift of Ripple and the XRP technology. Now, using on-demand liquidity and leveraging XRP, PYYPL will provide instant, low-cost remittance options for people sending money into and out of the region. Huge, absolutely huge. Just when I thought that I was gonna have time to recover my voice, I'm leaving my voice here tonight with you, and it's my pleasure to do so. Now, on the back of the video that I published this morning, it's a special edition. This is fascinating. This is fascinating, right? So, Kevin goes, Mr. Wally, please explain. Congratulations to everyone. Tweet and why this will be a win for everyone. I believe you, but if you could even provide a hypothetical situation. Then he goes and replies this. Okay, Mr. West, I don't know if you're aware, but I once proposed a hypothetical that the major government central banks would come to an agreement on their use of CBDCs and XRP as a neutral, interoperable bridge asset between them. That hypothetical has become a fact. Whoa. I mean, Jimmy, do you not want people to sleep? Do you not want us to sleep tonight? How do we sleep with this news? How? When are we going to know more? We want to know more, right? How much truth is to what he's saying? Is this really about to go nuclear? How do we sleep tonight? Answer me, Jimmy. Answer me. How do we move forward from here? Now, I like, CEO Jane Fraser said, it's clear that digital assets will be part of the financial services, financial markets, and the future of them. It's a 2-minute interview. Nothing really goes on. But it's interesting that Citibank extends partnership with Ripple-powered Volante's Volpay. So, mass adoption is here, guys. It's coming. It's coming fast. And the news just keeps coming out daily. On the daily. Now, this is interesting. Now, Brian Armstrong, CEO of Coinbase. The Ripple case seems to be going better than expected. Meanwhile, the SEC is realizing that attacking crypto is politically unpopular because it harms the consumers. Now, what's really fascinating about this particular article, now, I'm not going to open the article because on the web browser, Forbes puts these all these different ads on it. But I've opened it up on mobile just to read to you a little bit about it. So what it talks about is that when the SEC went after Ripple, they never expected in a million years that the tsunami of legal, political, and social media action from retail cryptocurrency investors outraged by the betrayal from the agency claiming to protect their interests. the meltdown of the SEC's credibility with this $2 trillion global investor community exposes a costly SEC miscalculation. I couldn't have put it better myself. Spot on. The XRP army, the crypto army, the crypto community, the community that believes in blockchain, in DeFi, right? You can try, governments, you can try stop this, but you're not stopping this. Like, the community has spoken. Even people that aren't XRP have even, joined in on the party. Now, I want to play you this because this is really, really fascinating what they talk about and how Singapore DBS Digital Business Leaders Series 2021 have a listen to why they use XRP on-demand liquidity.
We really set this network up on fiat, classic fiat network. But what we're able to do now, this is really the end game, is what can we do to turn that on with blockchain technology and cryptocurrency to even accelerate that network. So we have a product called on-demand liquidity, which is effectively using XRP, the digital assets, to settle between members of the network, between big corridors on that network. And again, do so in a way that has been highlighted today, that we can track who sent it, who received it, when did that happen, irrefutable, in a way that's faster, cheaper, and greener. And so we're really excited about this. We are doing this and building a big APAC headquarters in Singapore because we happen to think this is one of the great cities in the world to do so. Talent standpoint, market standpoint, APAC is a huge market for us. I also look after MENA, which is an incredibly important market as well, and the two are linked as far as trade flows and payment flows as you would expect.
The two are linked as far as, wow. I mean, it's just, I need a glass of water. Like, this is too much in one day. This is too much. This is too much excitement in one day. Now, US SEC could gain authority over stablecoins. Now, they're going after them, right? The SEC is going after stablecoins. Now, I don't even know where to begin to talk about how wrong this is on so many levels, but be mindful and keep an eye out for this if you do hold stablecoins. Now, we spoke yesterday about the G7 financial leaders reach agreement on digital currencies, and there is no coincidence that today the market has absolutely exploded. And it's not just, like, the market itself is 1.37% up across everywhere. As far as the eye can see in the top 100, just about everybody is on green. It is an incredible day in the crypto space. Now, how's this, right? This is Ethereum's intended use of revenue from the Ethereum pre-sale. Now, the way this is structured, that looks like it meets the Howey test, which would mean that it would be a security. So, how did this one fly under the radar, untouched? No one goes after it. But then XRP, which is a currency, has been in a case since December. Like, how? How does that happen? And we will talk about the price today, and we'll talk about where we're going, and what sort of price action can we expect coming up. And as much as we're explaining everything that's going on right now, I'm still of the same trajectory, same targets. Of course, we do need a settlement to occur to really see the triple figures come out. But I believe, based on my research, that what is coming for XRP will be bigger than any of us can imagine. That is not financial advisor, I'm not a financial advisor, but there is just so much brewing behind the scenes that I think you and I don't even comprehend just how big this is going to be. Now, this is something big as well. just like everything today has been huge, right, on this video. Something big is coming for the year's end. Keep your eyes on what they try to sneak into the bills. So there is a bill coming, and this one is massive. Now, initially, this was meant to come December 16, 2020. But the update suggests that no later than 1 year after the date on which the report under the paragraph submitted, the Commission shall submit a Congress report that updates the findings and determinations of the report submitted under such paragraph. That's coming. That's coming December 16. That is really, 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 really big news. That's what we're talking about here. Like, this ETF will be massive. Crypto could benefit billions, but first it will need some help from the government. It was meant to sideline. Like, this is huge. So we are set for a grand finale to the year in the cryptocurrency space. We are set for a grand finale. Let's jump into it, Tani. Let's have a look at some indicators. Okay, so as we begin to look inside, we're looking at the moment, we're sitting on the 1 hour. We can see the price action that has happened. We're sitting on $1.12 at the time of making this, 2.22% up. We went up as well outside of the Bollinger Band, but now we're back inside the Bollinger Band on the hourly. Like I said, as far as the eye can see, in the top 100, is green everywhere. Everywhere. Now, from a 4-hour perspective, the 4-hour, what's really fascinating is that it has gone above the moving average 100. But really, the kickoff party, and when we start to really celebrate the launch of XRP's bull run, is at $1.15. We got to go above and consolidate above $1.15. Let's not jump the gun. We need that $1.15, consolidate above $1.15, and then we're off. But the MACD on the daily is starting to close in, and looks like volume is starting to come through, which is very, 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 very exciting. Okay, so what happens, right? We go towards $1.15. We finally get that break. We may test one more time, and then we start to move towards 125 very, very, very quickly. And so expect something like this. From once we break out and consolidate above 115, expect this sort of trajectory very fast. It will happen very, very, very quickly as it goes through. Long term, as we zoom out, we have so many unanswered questions right now about the future. We do need a settlement. Whether it's a buyback, whether it's a settlement behind closed doors, whether we do need a settlement for triple digits and beyond. I know everything that has been going through today and all the news and all the things that have been happening, but let's like bring back to earth. No SEC settlement, no triple digits. But double digits? Yeah. Double digits is coming. And it's not financial advice, I'm not financial advisor, I'm just calling it like I see it. But the future, if there's anything today out of the craziness that today has been, is that what it's taught me today is that what we hold is something very, very, very valuable. That there, today, more than ever, is cemented in my mindset. Now, that may not be your mindset, and that's okay. And at the end of the day, you must do what's important for you, which is only you can decide what is the right decision for you, for your family, and for your financial future. For me personally, not that I needed any more belief, but for me today has been a day where I'm not selling one XRP. But that is a personal decision. Until we see triple digits, I'm not. But that is, again, this is my opinion, right? And that does not have to be your opinion. Far from it. There are many, 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 many risks associated with holding something until triple digits. Many risks. Many, many, many risks associated with that. What I'm saying is that myself personally, I know what I'm holding. and I hope that today's video has helped you. If you did learn something new today, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. As always, thank you, and I look forward to see you on the next one.